Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Cherokee vs Subaru Forester, which is better. Follow along as I break down key areas like comfort, capability, and cost so you can choose with confidence. I keep things practical and straightforward, pointing out where each model shines and what to watch out for when shopping or trading in. Stick around for quick tips that save time and money when evaluating either crossover. We look at how engine options, drivetrains, and suspension tune the driving feel of each vehicle, and what that means for daily commutes and outdoor trips. I discuss real-world fuel use, towing limits, and how ground clearance and approach angles affect trail confidence. This section helps you match performance to priorities so you understand trade-offs without technical overload, making comparisons simple and relevant to your needs. Quick recommendation. On another note, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use when packing gear for trips and trail days. They keep snacks tidy and boots out of the backseat. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax for a moment. Now let's get back to the video. Comfort and ownership costs often sway buyers more than peak horsepower, so I cover interior space, seat comfort, and how cargo flexibility fits real life. Expect a plain-spoken look at tech features, safety gear, and the likely maintenance items that affect your wallet. I include resale tendencies and what to check before buying used, helping you weigh short-term perks against long-term value in a warm, conversational way.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.